Hi guys, myself Rajath, first year computer science and design. I am here to present my innovation idea on automatic lights. Automatic light sensor, also known as a motion sensor or occupancy sensor, it is a device that detects movement or changes in light levels and triggers the light to turn on or off automatically. Automatic light sensors are infrared or microwave technology to detect motion with their range. When someone enters the sensor's field or view, it sends a signal to the connected lighting system to turn on the lights. After a period of inactivity, the lights will automatically turn off. Modern automatic light sensors offers more adjustable settings, allowing users to fine-tune sensitivity, time delay, and range according to their specific needs. It provides convenience by eliminating the need to manually operate light switches, and they can also enhance safety by ensuring that areas are well lit when someone enters, reducing the risk of accident falls in dark spaces. And this is the one, just a simple picture of automatic light, and I have drawn in my assignment. And now some disadvantages and advantages of automatic lights are: advantages, first one, it is used in residential lighting, which includes outdoor lighting, hallway lights, and bathroom lights. And it's need only less electricity bill, low electricity bill. Then it reduces energy consumption, it need only low energy, it can automatically turn off when it is not in use. Then fourth one, it can adjust lighting based on natural condition. Then now some disadvantages. First one, false signals. If someone's shadow appears, it may automatically light. it, it's one of the disadvantages of it. Then it's more costly and it's more expensive like that. Then maintenance and replacement, it needs high maintenance. Then fourth one, privacy concerns, like that. That's all. Thank you.